The Dyson WashG1 is an all-in-one hard floor cleaner that cleans up any spills that threaten to ruin your floors. Let's take a look at what it can do. Not all messes are just liquids or just solids. It can be a pain to clean up a combo of the two. Well, this can do both. Just fill up the top tank with water, turn it on and glide over the mess. It can even clean up a broken egg, including its shell. The counter-rotating microfiber rollers will separate larger, dry pieces of debris from the dirty water, collecting it in the middle. And it does all this just using clean water from start to finish. It's also got some clever tech that will help keep wet and dry mess separate once you've cleaned it up. There's a different compartment for each, with the dirty water being collected in the tank and the dry mess being collected in the debris tray. So you can pour the wet down the sink and empty the dry into the bin without getting your hands dirty. Even cleaning it is easy, as it handles this itself with a self-cleaning cycle. This flushes out the machine after each use, so you don't have to worry about taking it apart and cleaning inside all the nooks and crannies after you've already spent time cleaning your home. Plus, it does this whilst on the charging dock and in just 140 seconds. If you'd like more info about the Dyson WashG1, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.